Morning everyone, starts another week here at Airedale fencing. As you can see, nice backdrop we're working at today. We're over at Steaton Cricket Club. Lovely, look at that. Lads are just getting setting up here behind us. We're about I think it's 81 metres. So going down this wall, just turn it round. We've just unloaded now. Lads are just getting set up here. Although he just lit his fire up there, that's nice of him, isn't it? Oh, yeah. So yeah, we're going from there. We're just following this wall down here. Just to stop all cricket balls going over into this field. And it's going right down to the clubhouse down there. Wish they were all like this, lovely. Look at that, could sit here. Better make sure that clubhouse doesn't open up, lads will be having a pint in there. So yeah, nice little job for guys is this. Probably a day and a half here. They might even get it done in a day, it just depends on digging, but looks quite firm, hard ground does this, but yeah, all in all a good job. We'll keep you updated.
Lads are just here now, we've just unloaded vans. They'll get digging the first hole. Hopefully get all this done. It's quite nice and flat, so day and a half. We're going to be coming to, let's have a look, about there where my foot is. Leave a gap. We're going to have two diagonal two diagonal panels, and just to stop the ball from basically, well, when it does go behind, they can just slip through and get in there. We weren't going to leave two gaps, but then the chances are every time they play, the ball will fly through them two gaps. So if we just put one on a diagonal angle, it'll stop it from going through, and they'll also be able to just get behind it as well. Like I say, lads are always here, Mark's here as well. Just getting everything sorted, prepared, and leave them to it. They reckon they'll get it in a day and a half, so let's see. If we can get it done today, that'd be even better. Yeah, keep you updated. Lads are going to get some footage as well. We're going to have the camera on today, get some footage of them putting it in, and we'll keep you informed. It'll look a beaut once we're done. I'll see you later. Afternoon, job with a view, beautiful that. We're over at Steaton today installing some V-mesh, 1.8 V-mesh range we do. Look at that for a drop back. We'd have had a good go at getting this in today. It'd have been a record for us. I think there's 81 metres in total, and we've actually run out, or we'd have stuck it out, but it's gone in well. There's a big pile of muck there, they're going to grade all that if there's any gaps, so it's all lovely, nice and stepped down. We've actually incorporated a couple of like little makeshift gates here, so they can get around with a strimmer. Little gap there for them to get up. Where we've actually run out there, or would have still been here. So we're back here in morning, and then I think we've got another job tomorrow, a little small job to finish off. So yeah, good couple of days. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, it's Wednesday now. Lads are on a job in Bradford, sort of digging out some Palisade, moving it, and then a bit more new stuff added to it. Guy in the yard who we'll go see now, doing a Lola certificate for the fork truck, and whilst he's here he's servicing that and also servicing our little digger. Let's go. Look. We had a delivery, some load more post mix come yesterday. Got a few pallets now if anybody wants any. And I'm thinking of getting, just ordered 2 new little vans actually. It should be coming September. Try to renew the fleet as we go along, and then I'm thinking of getting a new one of these because this is getting a bit old and tight now. I mean, I love the van, but with Bradford bringing in these silly CAS charges at £9 a day, I'm gonna have to renew it unfortunately. But yeah, I think the guy here is just having his dinner. I actually bought this one brand new, but you can see he's busy giving it a service. Caught him, sat down, look, having his dinner. Yeah, changing out filters and stuff, proper JCB parts, look. What we like to see. Yeah, hopefully they'll keep going for another year or so.
Lads are just finishing up on job now. Nice early finish for them on a Friday. I'll treat them well. Just show you what they've been doing on the job and see exactly where the access was before. We've basically took their Palisade off of that section. Show you where we've done it. There used to be Palisade on the inside going up to that gate. We've took that off and we've basically reset it, reframed it and put it on the corner. Gives them a bit more work in that side of the yard to store stuff all the way down to join the existing Palisade. The plan was to put in wooden barriers all the way through. They've asked not to do that. They're just putting some wood at the end. But yeah, nice Friday for the lads. They'll be in pub by 1 o'clock, so they can't complain. Like I said, I've just been and picked up all our gates for up and coming jobs. So I'm going to get them back to the yard, and I've got a couple of things to do myself, and then we'll be off. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you bright and early Monday morning.
Hello, into another week at Airedale. Had a mixed bag this week. Start of the week we finished off some timber fencing, then a couple of days we were at Steeton Cricket Club, did a nice mesh room job there, And then last few days we've been at site in Bradford, at Lowmore, taking down, moving some Palisade and putting a bit more Palisade up, and then round the back putting some timber posts in for them. So a bit of a mixed bag this week, but all in all not a bad week. Really poured it down Thursday, and in fact there were flooding near us. I've seen the weather next week looks a lot better, so hopefully it is, because we start a massive job going all the way around the quarry. So we'll hopefully document that one. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.